The concerns I had for iReady when it first started was how am I going to implement it in my classroom? And more so, how am I going to have the time to do that iReady when I have all the other curriculum that I have to teach?
I have, again, like around 120 students, then it really gives me an opportunity to see things about them that I don't necessarily get a chance to in my class time. How students are doing on the lessons individually. I can arrange to have a conversation or a data chat with them based on how they're progressing throughout their lessons. So data is not a scary thing. It's a great thing, especially for middle school students.
I would say that over time, I was able to grasp more of the concepts for iReady, and over time, with looking at all the reports, I saw the data, and I was able to see my kids growing in math. I would give advice to a teacher that possibly would look at iReady as taking up time and they don't have that capability. I would say find a way to incorporate that into your standards that you're already teaching, so you're not losing any time. You're just letting it help you to get your students further in the subject that they need to learn.